Discover essential home words in our quick video lesson. Learn about housework, rooms, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and garden. Improve your everyday English with this easy lesson. My house. Small house. 2 bedrooms. Mom and Dad's bedroom. Sister and I share a bedroom. Kitchen. Cook dinner. Living room. Family watches television. Big bathroom. Closet. Basement. Dad's workshop. Wood furniture. No second floor. Garage. Big backyard. Maple tree. Swimming pool. Vegetable garden. Family. Flower garden. Flowers. Front of the house. Neighbor. Different types of flowers. Roses. Tulips. Petunias. Different colors. Red flowers. Orange flowers. Blue flowers. Purple flowers. Take care of the garden. Water the garden. Kill weeds. Kill insects. Housework. Windows. Vacuumed. Washed. Waxed. Polished. Bathroom. Bathtub. Laundry. Washing machine. Dryer. Clothesline. Ironed. Groceries. Meals. Dishes. Counters. Stove. Refrigerator. Cupboards. Dust. Sweep. Beds. Clean sheets. Household chores. Couch. Chairs. Coffee table. Television set. Stove. Refrigerator. Sink. Dishwasher. Kitchen table. Dining room. Dining table. Washroom, bathroom. Toilet. Bathtub. Shower. Bedrooms. Dressers. Laundry room. Washing machine. Dryer. Garage. Driveway. Front yard. Backyard. The farm. Farmer. Animals. Barn. Horses. Cows. Grass. Milk. Saddle. Pigs. Pig pen. Goats. Chickens. Eggs. Baby chicks. Rooster. Goose. Cats. Stray cats. Mice. Sheep. Wool. Oven. Bake. Burners. Refrigerator. Freezer. Frozen. Toaster. Toast. Electric kettle. Boil. Double sink. Dish detergent. Dishwasher. Utensils. Tea towels. Oven mitts. Pot holders. Pots. Pans. Dishes. Dinner plates. Bowls. Cups. Coffee mugs. Glasses. Juice pitcher. Timer. Microwave oven. 2-story. Red brick. Chimney. Front door. Easy chairs. Sofa. Benches. Bedrooms. Parents' bedroom. Queen-sized bed. Ruffled curtains. Blinds. Bunk bed. Top bunk. Bottom bunk. Rose bushes. Picnic table. White fence. Gate. Recreation room. Friends. A car. Weather. Family. Red, white, pink, and yellow roses. Sweet smell. Bees. Tiny bugs. Ladybugs. Birds. Sunflowers. Sunflower seeds. Bird bath. Blackbirds. Robin. Blue jay. Ants. Snails. Green peas. Lettuce. Tomatoes. Neighbors. Carrots. Weeds. Rainfall. Pull the weeds out by their roots. Gardening. Fresh air. Sunshine. Beautiful, colorful flowers. Fresh food. The bathroom. Bathtub. Showerhead. Shower curtain. Soap. Shampoo. Towels. Racks. Racks. Washcloths. Face cloths. Sink. Hot and cold taps. Plug. Drain. Toilet. Flush. Toilet tissue. Medicine cabinet. Painkillers. Toothpaste. Makeup. Hairspray. Gal. Brushes. Combs. Toothbrushes. Dental floss. The bedroom. Blanket. Feather pillows. Pillowcases. Dresser. Mirror. Picture frames. Drawers. Closet. Walk-in closet. Hangers. Shoes. Shelves. Games. Curtains. Lamp. Alarm clock. 7 o'clock. Fall asleep. Places to live. Townat. Apartment building. City. Dormitory. School. Roommate. Country. Criminal. Prison. Summer camp. Tante-e. Vacation. Motel. Hotel. Trailer. Move. Cottage. Lake. Retirement home. Palace. King. Queen. Prince. Princess.